So today we're going to be working on making Chico some new food. We're going to be doing his favorite, Parrot Chop. Parrot Chop is coarse ground vegetables, fruits, and grains that parrots are safe to eat and they enjoy it. So today that's what we're going to be making, is some new food for Chico. So for the Parrot Chop, we're going to use the following items that we have already prepared. So we'll just kind of run through what's going into this batch. We're going to use virgin coconut oil to help with his Chico's skin and feathers during the cool, cold winters here. We're going to use the green lentil pasta, which we cooked al dente. Going to use the sprouts, vegetables, blueberries, cut papaya, steamed corn, green peas, zucchini, corn, carrots. Also going to be using some of the oatmeal, the organic oatmeal that'll go in after the fact, that we get everything chopped. It will not be cooked. It'll help absorb some of the moisture. We have quinoa that's been prepared, green beans, soup mix, yellow cauliflower and broccoli, sweet potatoes, butternut squash. We have buckwheat and millet. We used red kale, bok choy, and collard greens. Beets, we will go light on the beets, but there will be some in there. And then green, yellow, and orange bell peppers. So here is the entire ingredient list here that we're going to be using. Now we're going to start getting it all mixed up and chopped up. Now we're going to load the fruits and veggies into a food processor, and we're going to process it and chop it to the right consistency. Again, each bird is different, but for this one we're going to go just a little finer chop. Once you get everything chopped up to the right consistency, put it into a container to start mixing things up. Now that we have everything chopped up, now Chico likes his food a little more chopped up and not as coarse as some other parrots. So that's why we chose to go a little bit finer on the chop. But he does like his peas and corn to be able to go through and shell them and eat them on their own like that. So we don't chop those up. As you can see, we have a wide variety of colors in here and flavors. We threw the sprouts in there in the back that'll get mixed in just a few minutes. We are going to add the coconut oil, but because the coconut oil is in a solid state right now, we're going to take our measured amount out and then we're going to melt it so we can drizzle it over the top to kind of mix in. Now we're going to add the coconut oil. We generally add about 1 tablespoon for every pound of chop. Let's get everything all mixed up together, and this is what you're looking for. Your final mix is to be evenly distributed and all the different things that you use to be spread out throughout the chop. Now that everything's mixed up, let's put it all into little containers. You can use Ziploc bags or these small 2-ounce plastic cups with lids. This allows us to freeze and store the bulk of this food and thaw it out as we need it. Alright, we have completed our batch of Parrot Chop for Chico. So he should be set for the next 6 months. So we are good to go. We do usually feed him the chop just in the morning times as kind of a breakfast thing. We'll warm it up a little bit so he gets just a little, about half to, usually about 2 to 3 servings in these little 2-ounce cups that we have used. And whenever we do put it out, we give him about 30-45 minutes or so to eat. Usually don't leave it out any more than about an hour for the food, because it can start to potentially get bacteria growing, so please keep an eye on that. One thing to note is that please, before you do anything with your parrot's diet, that you discuss the changes with your avian veterinarian. If you don't have one, we have a link below to do a finder to find one in your local area. Thanks again. Please leave comments if you have questions about steps. Again, leave those in the comments below, and we'll see what we can do to get a response to you. And thanks for watching, and please like and share this video with your other bird friends. We would love to get this stuff spread around. Thanks a lot. Enjoy it.